Alright, what's going on, guys? So it's Caden Dunford back with FG1 K Dun. And today I'm going to be doing a short little video. If you come into the inside of your 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic DX through EX FG1, you can see that when you turn in the key and you twist it and turn on the battery, you get a dash message, and mine says 8th Gen Society. So today I'm going to be showing you how to customize this, and you can literally make it say anything that is up to 16 characters, I believe. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is just turn on your battery so that the car is running. You don't have to have your car running all the way, you can if you want, but you just turn on the battery and then you go to where it says the radio. So let's say it's on the radio normally. So you would see that it says whatever, the radio stuff. So what you want to do is you want to press the volume button, which turns off your radio completely, so it just shows the time. Then you want to press both volume and tune at the same time. Once you get that, you get this thing that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 15, 16 characters. So you can basically make it say whatever. So to shuffle through, let me get that back to that. So to change the letters, you want to twist the tune dial, and as you can see, that goes through all the letters, all these random symbols. It goes through A through Z, then 1 through 0, 1 through 9. So I'm gonna keep the message. To switch the words, you wanna press this button right here, and basically that will just skip through the words. It's the one that says seek/skip, and down goes back, up goes forwards. Basically, you can just go through and change your custom dash message so that once you turn back the radio on, all that, turn on your radio, turn off the car. When you turn the battery on or turn the car on, you turn it, and you are greeted with that message. So it is literally just as simple as that. I do not remember how I learned how to do this, but it's very cool that I know how to do this because I change it every once in a while when I get sick of my old one. And it's just cool because you can impress your friends with all these new messages. Like you can have the car and it'll say like, what's up, your friend's name, something like that. You guys can be creative with it. Just remember you have 16 digits and that includes spaces. So if you do a space, that counts as a digit. That's going to wrap up this short little tutorial. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you have any video ideas or comments, leave them down below. And if you have any questions, I will try to answer them if I know how to answer them. And other than that, it has been Caden Dunford, and I will see you in the next tutorial or video. Peace.